Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for example, for that what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account on which you would like to remove yourself from the vanish mode, right, from a certain chat. Now you're going to go to your chat section on top right corner. Now go ahead and tap on the chat where the vanish mode is turned on. So you can see when there is a vanish mode turned on, you can see disappearing message. It will be written right over here, and the typing bar will look like this. Now if you turn it off, then now you can see you turned off disappearing message, and that is it. If I want to turn on, I can tap on this turn on, or again I can just swipe on top and it will turn off, and if I have to turn it on, again do the same. That's how you will be able to simply turn it off or on your vanish mode on your particular Instagram app, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.